So here's what we need to do. So we have these two boards going like this. They're probably like that. And then these are going to go like that. So we need to drill holes in these boards. So let me... I want these holes opposite. Okay, so I was wanting to get my car off the ground more than just what jack stands would allow me to do. So what I did is I ended up making these jack stands, lift thingies, whatever they're called. I just made some so I get the car off the ground 12 inches. So if you notice, I went 4 like this and then 4 like that, which got it up 12 inches. And then I put those under the tire. So that way it's cradling the tire and it's making the car stable. So let me show you what that looks like here. My garage is a complete mess, but all 4 tires are up on there. And then now I have plenty of room to go under there and work. So I can pull a transmission a lot easier. I'll have more room. But if you see what I did is I measured the width of the tire and then I added the width of the 2x4s, so added 7 more inches. So this is an 11-inch tire and then added 7 more, so I cut these at 18. And then what I did is I put these blocks in place behind the tires like I was just chalking on the ground, and then I measured the distance between the ends of the boards when it was chalked, so that way it cradles it and it won't fall apart. So if you like that, go ahead and like and subscribe. Currently, yeah, I'm just working on the car. I know it looks a lot different than my last video that I put out. It's just because I've been doing a lot of work to it. I didn't film a lot of stuff like removing the hood and some other stuff, but that's pretty simple. 4 bolts, you take it off. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and like and subscribe, and I will see y'all later. Peace.